In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render a preview and export a final video in Premiere Pro. Let's start by telling Premiere exactly which part of your timeline you want to preview. Move your playhead to the moment where you want the section to begin, then press the I key to set an in point. Next, move the playhead to where you want that section to end and press the OK to set an out point. You'll see a highlighted bar along the top of the timeline indicating the range you've selected. Taking a moment to set, this precisely helps you preview only what matters, great for checking transitions, effects, and color in a focused area. If you change your mind, just move the playhead and press I or O again to update the range. Now, render a preview so playback is smooth and true to what you'll export. Press Enter on your keyboard or go to the Sequence menu and choose Render Into Out. Premiere will generate preview files for the marked section and then play it back without stutters. This is your chance to catch issues like dropped frames, mismatched audio, or effects that need tweaking before you commit to a final export. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export the final video. Go to File, then Export, then Media. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+M on Windows or CMD+M on Mac. This opens the export settings window where you'll choose how your video is encoded and saved. Under Format, select H.264 if you want a widely compatible DEMP4 file. H.264 is a smart default for most online platforms and general sharing. If your delivery requires something different, like ProRes for post-production or a high-end master, pick that here instead, but H.264 is usually the best balance of quality and file size. Next, choose a preset. For example, YouTube 1080p HD is a solid choice if you're publishing to YouTube at full HD resolution. Presets automatically configure resolution, frame rate, and bitrate targets for you, which reduces guesswork and ensures consistent results. Take a quick look at the summary panel to confirm it matches your sequence and delivery needs. Finally, give your file a clear name. Choose a destination folder you'll remember and click Export. Premiere will process your sequence and create the final video. Leave the app undisturbed while it works to ensure a smooth export. That's it. Set in and out points, render a preview to verify playback, and export with the right format and preset for your destination. Follow these steps and you'll get clean, predictable